Hi everybody, I'm back. Terry Davis, Respected Artist International, RAI Voice, with your third mini vocal warm-up on the kazoo. Yay! So two things right off the bat I want to tell you. When you are doing these kazoo exercises, you want to make sure that you don't overblow on the kazoo because you will cause straining here in your voice, and you do not want that. Never ever do you want straining or tension here in your voice. So it's nice and easy. As opposed to don't do that. Okay. The second thing is make sure you're taking big, deep breaths. All right. I tell my students, I want you to inhale from the, like, as if you're inhaling from your belly button. Big fat belly and bear down, and then just like that. So keep those two things in mind. Now let's get to exercise number 3. This one is super simple. We're going to start on the A below middle C for the high voices and an octave lower for the lower voices. And you're simply going to go do, mi, so, mi, do. That's all you're going to do. Only you're going to do it on the kazoo. That's all you're going to do. Here we go. That's it. Fast and easy mini warm-up. Terry Davis, Respected Artist International, RAI Voice.